Lesson 71. 3 ways of entering formulas. In this lesson, we'll take a look at 3 different common ways to enter formulas: touch typing, the mouse, and the arrow key method. Let's say that we have to enter a formula here in column I that is gross profit percent. That's profit in H2 divided by revenue in F2. So it's simple enough, we could enter this formula. Some people are just great touch typists, and they'll type equal H2 divided by F2. That works. Other people like to use the mouse, so they'll type the equal sign, they'll click on H3, they'll go back to the keyboard, type the divide sign, and then click on F3. And then other people, especially people who have been using spreadsheets since the days of Lotus 123, might remember the arrow key method. In this method, your hands never leave the keyboard. You type the equal sign or the plus sign. I use the plus sign because it's over there on the numeric keypad, easier to hit. Plus sign, and then the left arrow key to highlight profit. Click divide, and then the left arrow key 3 times to highlight revenue, and press enter. Now, whichever method you want to use is fine. However, if you're new to spreadsheets, try out the arrow key method. It is a much faster method. You wouldn't believe that going from the keyboard to the mouse, back to the keyboard to the mouse to the keyboard slows you down dramatically, but it does. The great thing about the arrow key method is you can use mostly the keys on the right side of the keyboard because the numeric keypad has all the common operators, plus, minus, multiply, divide, plus the enter key, and it's close to the arrow keys. Well, there you have it, 3 different ways to enter formulas. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.